Having a trouble with my phone, so I'm using screen rotation. Now I'm going to files. I'm here open and created one theorem. Now I'm creating another. First of all, I have to create a new file. I'm giving a name as max power, as increment maximum power on writing a program. Now we have to use first of all standard commands, which are CLC and clear. Now I am giving the variables, parameter variables. V is equal to 10 and source resistance is of 2 ohms. Now we need to vary the load resistance. So for that varying load resistance, each time we have to calculate power. For this purpose, we have to execute multiple number of times. Instead of that, I am using here some program loops. Here I am having some of them as for loop, while loop, if else. In this case, I am using for loop. See, for I equal to 1. Here I am taking 1 due to we are varying the load resistance from 1, never take it from 0. Then is to 1, this is the step increment by 1 and multiplied by 41. End of the time is 41. Here I am taken 41 as we are executing 44 number of times to calculate the load power. Now I am defining load resistance RL of I is equal to IE star 0.1. Here I is the step increment. Now we have to vary from 0 to 4, so I am taking 0.1. We have to vary in step of 0.1 by giving minus 0.1. Then here I am starting I value is 1 and 1 is multiplied by 1 by taking 1 multiplied by 0.1, so minus 0.1 it will give you a load resistance starting value is 0 and n value is 41. Hence n value is 41 is substituted, then 41 into 0.1 is 4.1 and it is substituted from 0.1 is 4. This is the reason that I am multiplied with 41. Hence I am taking the final end value is 4. For each value I, we have to calculate load power. Thus I am taking PL of I is equal to opening bracket V by again opening brackets RL of I again by RL of I plus RS. Here I am taken right. Now I am squaring it. Star. Now RL of I. Again bracket open. plotting we have to give plot command. Here I am giving plot of, we have to plot load resistance and load power. For this we have not to give PLFI and RLFI. RL comma here. And then I am executing, so I am running the program. Here the maximum power comes. If you see, this is the maximum power. See.